The Age of Paper and the Birth of Confidence. In the aftermath of the Civil War, America found itself afloat in paper, greenbacks, government-issued notes untethered from gold or silver. Created out of wartime necessity, they financed the Union's survival but carried an invisible poison: inflation. Their value rested not on metal, but on belief. As confidence waned, so did purchasing power. Two opposing camps emerged. The hard money advocates, often bankers and creditors, demanded a return to gold-backed currency. Their rivals, the soft money populists, largely farmers and debtors, insisted that paper kept the economy alive, giving flexibility to those surviving on credit. What began as a financial debate became an ideological and moral struggle over who would control the meaning of money itself. By 1875, this division culminated in the Specie Resumption Act, a legislative attempt to anchor the dollar back to gold and restore public trust. But behind its technical language lay a deeper truth: it was not just about stabilizing currency, it was about reasserting control. And control, history would show, always comes with casualties. Footnote: the Civil War's financial legacy birthed a tension between liquidity and legitimacy, between the freedom of paper and the discipline of gold.